In the name of God, who is most merciful and gracious, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Is the soul of Israelis dead? It is the topic for today's program. You will watch and listen a very emotional speech of Thomas Gold, who is the Irish MP, Member of Parliament since 2020. He is talking to the Israelis and saying, "O Israelis, is your soul dead? Why you do not show any emotion and sentiments for above 40,000 deaths, and that too mostly children and women, and above 90,000 injured. Even some sources have said that if all types of deaths are calculated, then this figure may surpass 186,000. While talking, even tears appeared in his eyes. Dear viewers, now Israelis have turned their attention to kill further or more Palestinians in the West Bank also, and almost 650 are already killed with more injured, and you know the famous pager attack also. Now, Member of Parliament like Thomas Gold are raising their voices, but sorry to say and very regrettably, all Muslim countries are just sleeping and Israel is playing havoc on Palestinians. Now just listen how emotional the speech was from the Thomas Gold.
The photographs and the pictures and the videos that come from there, and you hear the screams of people screaming as the Israeli government burned men, women and children alive. They burned them alive. And the world stands by while 15,000 children are being slaughtered, 35,000 men and women and children. And it's unbelievable, the genocide that's happening. A child with no head, and the Israeli government say it's a mistake. A mistake. I hope that Benjamin Netanyahu burns in hell the same way them children and their families burned. I hope him and his generals and the far-right government in Israel, that when their God finally brings him to the resting place, that he deserves to burn in hell. Because what is happening now, not alone is it apartheid, not alone is it atrocity and a war crime, it's just horrific. It's just horrific what they're doing. Where is their soul? Where is the soul of the Israeli people? After everything the Jewish people have suffered down over the decades, that they would allow their government to do this to other human beings. Human beings. But in the eyes of Netanyahu and this far-right Israeli government, Palestinians are human beings. But today here, the Irish people say, we recognize Palestine. Shame on Israel. Shame on what they've done, and will never be forgotten.